Hi everyone, welcome to math. I know it's a little bit dark today, but I'm filming this. It's almost sundown, so hopefully you can see the board well, even if you can't see me very well. Let's go for our calendar. We see that we are still in the month of May, and May is what number month? 5. So we're going to put the 5 there. And today is Monday, so that means that we haven't done this since Thursday. But Friday was 15, Saturday 16, Sunday 17, and today is Monday the 18th. So 5-18-20. And we'll do the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And if yesterday was Sunday, that means today is Monday. That's right. Okay, so today is Monday, May 18, 2020. And we see that next week, it will be Memorial Day. So see, 1 week down, or 7 days later, it will be Memorial Day. And that is a holiday. That is a holiday, so you won't be doing work on that day. So let's see our clock. And I'm going to give an easy one first. What is this one? The hour hand is between the 10 and the 11. So we go back to the 10. It's 10. And when it's pointing straight down, it says 30. So it's 10, 30. And we can check that by counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That was an easy one. So let's do a little bit more difficult one. Okay? Here we go. The hour hand is between the 2 and the 3, which means that we go back to the 2. And then let's count by 5s for the minute hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It's 2:35. Excellent job. Okay, now the first graders or the kindergartners, I can't remember which one, but one of you are going to be doing dimes and pennies. So is this a dime or a penny? A dime. And how much are dimes worth? 10. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I have 50 cents in dimes, but I also have 1, 2 pennies, and pennies are worth 1. And so I have 50, 51, 52. I have 52 cents. Very good. All right, this week we are doing 9s for the older kids. And there is a trick. I'm going to write the 9s also, but there is a trick that you can do that I've taught you, but I want you to remember. Can you see my hands? So what we're going to do for the 9s, this is number 1 finger, okay? And this is the number 10 finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we do 9, we do 1 times 9, and we put down the 1. And it's kind of hard. How many fingers do we have left? 9. So 1 times 9 is 9. But then we say, what's 9 times 2? We go 1, 2, and we put down the 2 finger. And there's a 1 on this side of the down finger and 8 on the other side, which means that 9 times 2 is 18. Let's do 3. 1, 2, 3. Put down the 3 finger. And there's 2 on this side and 7 on this side. So 9 times 3 is 27. And you just keep going up. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. So that's the trick. It's super awesome. I love that trick. Isn't that a fun trick? But I'll write that for you here. 9, 18, 27. And remember, 36, 45, 54, right? 63, 72, right? That's 70. So we got 72. and then 81, and then 90. So using those fingers, we can figure out our nines. Okay, let's also do, kindergarten is doing odd and even numbers. So I'm going to write all the numbers here to 20. Or as far as I can get before I run out of room, right? Well, remember the odd numbers start with 1, and then we skip each number. We're skipping the even numbers. So the odd numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or any number that ends with these numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we can keep going, and if it ends with these numbers, it's odd. But our even numbers are all the other ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16. So any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 are even. These are odd, these are even. So on your paper, they'll be asking you to circle the evens or the odds. So remember, odds start with 1 and skip, and the evens start with 2 and skip, and you can do it that way. Okay, if I have 8 books, I go to the library and I get 8 more books, is that plus or minus? Plus. 8 more books, and 8 plus 8 is what? Do you remember? We did those as our memorizing. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. That's right, 16. Good memories. Okay. We are going to do our last one for the older kids. So we are doing times. But not just like 3 times 9 or 4 times 5. We are doing a bigger number, double digit, with a single number. So whenever you are multiplying with double digits here, you start on the right side and you go up and down. And you say, what's 9 times 0? Well, anything times 0 is 0, so 0. And then you go crisscross. You go over this way. You already did this number, now you want to do this number. So 9 times 3 is, oh, you can do your fingers. You can do your fingers. What do you get? 9 times 3 is 27. So we write it down here. So 30 times 9 is 270. Let's do a triple digit one. Let's do 200 times 4. Okay, so start on the right side, go up and down first. What's 4 times 0? Anything times 0 is 0. Then go to the next number. 4 times 0 is 0. Then go to the next number. 4 times 2. What's 4 times 2, or 2 4s? 8. So it's 800. Woo, good job. Okay, let's even go bigger, guys. Let's go 9,000 times 5. Okay, go up and down. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 9, use those fingers. 45. Good job. So this would be 45,000. Those are some big numbers. Okay, that's all we have today. First graders, your second grade work's easy for you, I'm sure. So you're just gonna go ahead and do your worksheets and have fun doing it. So, great job. Get those out and finish your math.